Hello, I come for the checkup.
Okay.
I'll use the ultrasound. The baby is growing at a steady pace. Look at the screen. Am I mistaken? Just kidding. Today's April Fool. Here, this is the result. The baby is really cute. Bet that no one will eat my food. Just leave it there for a while. Ooh, have something that is ready to be eaten. So delicious. I must run away before being caught. I've just left my ice cream here. Where's that? There must be a rat here. I should make the mouse trap to catch it. Take the soap, use the paper knife to make a hole underneath. Then put the ice cream like this. Looks good. Even I want to eat. Now let's wait for the rat. Where's Bun? I have to eat again. Huh, 'cause you're red-handed. Why did it smell so strange? Never mind, I'll finish it. Ew! This is so bitter. You want to be the bubble princess? This is a good way, Cola. Cola is losing her alertness. It's high time for the tricks. Lucky for Hannah, Cola has no idea what's going on, seeing she's sticking her eyes to the phone. To be successful with this trick, you need to be meticulous. Now tie the shoelace of Cola together. Why don't I use an artificial spider to make it more interesting? Go away, stupid spider! Who's crying, Cola? Fushis is always a perfect tool for Bun's trick. Let's see what he's up to this time. You understand what I mean? It'll be really great. Why does my butt feel so cold? No! Why is it? It must be Bun's trick. You darn in my hand, Bun. Whoop. I almost died, but I have a fresh idea to troll Bun. With this trick, you will need a scissors and a double-sided tape. Firstly, take a long part of the tape and stick on the table surface. Then, put the cup on the tape. Don't forget to check if they stick nicely. Okay, great. Now let's get out of here. No, it's all gone. Let's go. I don't know anything. Can I have a bite? You only know how to eat. Sweet apple. Can I have another bite? Please, this is the last time. Hey, that's too much. To make sure you never touch my stuff again, I'll teach you a lesson. Here come apple and potato. Although they are completely different, but when being cut into small pieces, only the one who cut it would know. Better no one can differentiate. Now mix them together. Looking good. Can I have more?
Give it to me.
Here, all yours. Ew, you eat raw potato? So gross. Thought you would eat everything. You deserve it. It smells so good. But I cannot eat it. You cannot? Let me. How dare you? So what? You want to eat that much? I'll make something special for you. We will only need cake, syringe, toothpaste. Pour the toothpaste into the syringe and inject the toothpaste inside the cake. Here's your cake.
Thank you.
Why is it so cold? Ew, it's toothpaste. You really beyond remedy? Stop being so greedy.